First, adjust the seat size based on your baby. The snaps are hidden inside the waist belt and can be set to 3 different positions. Make sure you're using the same snap setting on both sides so the panel stays even. Wrap the waist belt at your natural waist. Then feed the buckle through the safety loop and fasten it until it clicks. Rotate so the panel sits centered on your front. Then tighten the waist belt by pulling the strap until it feels snug. Tuck any excess strap into the storage loop. Loosen the shoulder straps as much as possible and make sure the buckles are unfastened. Place one shoulder strap over your shoulder, pull it across your back, and buckle it into the opposite side until it clicks. Hold baby on your side facing you. Then guide one of their legs through the opening between your body and the carrier panel. Lift the panel up behind baby's back while supporting them with your other hand. While holding baby in place, bring the second strap over your other shoulder, pull it across your back, and buckle it into the opposite side until it clicks. This creates an X shape on the center of your back to help balance weight evenly. Pull the panel up fully and smooth out any folds so baby is fully supported. Then tighten the shoulder straps evenly until baby is snug but comfortable. Roll any loose strap ends and tuck them into the elastic loops to keep everything neat. Reposition baby by rotating their hips so their knees sit higher than their bottom, creating an M shape. The baby should be centered and their thighs should feel supported from knee to knee. Before heading out, use the T.I.C.K.S check. Make sure baby is tight and secure, in view at all times, close enough to kiss, with their chin off their chest, and their back supported in an upright position. Keep checking in on baby every few minutes while you're out.